Okay, so in today's video we're going to be going over my top 5 favourite websites where you can download KDP interiors for your low content and no content book business. So you're not going to want to miss this one. Now, if you haven't been here before, my name is Rory and I run this channel called Mr. Rosa. And before we get into anything, can I just ask you guys to hit that like and subscribe button, as it would be greatly appreciated and doesn't take you half a second to do. Now, if you're someone like me and, well, you're not the most artistic person and you don't want to be wasting valuable time creating simple interiors which you can go and download from different websites, well, this is going to be the perfect video for you, because I'm going to be going through some websites where you can download and buy some different interiors to help get into different niches with your KDP business. And this is ranging all the way from lined interiors all the way to colouring book interiors and targeting those like high quality niches. And yes, you can download these interiors and buy some interiors in these different niches. So let's get straight into it. Now, to start off with is a website that I always talk so highly about, and that is Creative Fabrica. And well, one of the reasons I talk so highly about it is because of the range of different interiors that, well, you can buy on this website. And it's just amazing because, well, there is so many niches you can get into just with these interiors. And well, with Creative Fabrica you can target different niches like the colouring books. If I type in colouring book interior, type search, well, obviously it gives colouring book interiors. Some of them are just single pages and some of them are, well, like this one, 25 geometric colouring book patterns. And yeah, you get a huge range of different interiors targeting different niches, and this can be like Halloween colouring book ones as well, or Christmas ones. So if I type in Christmas colouring book interior, search, and obviously you get a range of Christmas colouring book interiors as well, which is great. And they don't just do colouring books. I can type in KDP interiors as well, and again, loads and loads of different niches, which is, well, really great. And personally for me, Creative Fabrica is, well, one of my favourites for getting interiors in different niches, because, well, these are all made by sellers and there is just a massive range. And some of these are very cheap, like you've got here, KDP Interiors Pattern Design. Well, this is only going for 30 cents. And this one here again, it's at 25 pages you get there for 30 cents, which is obviously very cheap. And well, to me, I would say that is a very well-made investment if you're looking to get into these niches, because, well, you've seen how much money some of these niches have made, like the colouring book niche, and people are making thousands and thousands per month, yet downloading for 30 cents, well, it's only going to be a very small investment and you'd make that money back with just one sale. So yeah, Creative Fabrica is a brilliant one. And it's not only good for finding interiors to buy and download, you can also upload them yourself. So it's almost like you can do two things at once. You can buy interiors from other sellers, and you can also, with your unique interiors that you've created, well, you want to make a bit of extra money, a bit more with that side hustle. Obviously, Creative Fabrica, you can upload your interiors and make some money off of that as well, which is, again, a great way of, well, just making money with a lot of different businesses. And that's how a lot of sellers will do it. You'll find that they'll find loads of different ways that they can make money, not just staying with that making money by selling their books on Amazon. So yeah, Creative Fabrica really is brilliant. And with a lot of these interiors as well, when you download them, you'll get a PNG file, you'll get a PDF file, which is the one you upload onto Amazon, and you'd also probably get a .ai file or something along those lines, .eps file, which means you can edit it yourself in places like Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, that sort of thing. You can edit it yourself, so you can add your own unique things to it and change it up a bit so it's not exactly the same. So that is also a really great thing about it. You can like download interiors from these people and then just add slight details to make it more unique to yourself. Yeah, so it's very good. And well, like I said, you can download them individually, like we saw, download them for 30 cents, or you can pay for their unlimited subscription, which is $29 per month, which obviously I think is a much better deal, because $29 per month you can download as many of these interiors as you want with no extra charge, and you can target loads of different niches, and with that $29 per month, and that's it. And obviously I'll leave the link to all of these websites in the description below for you guys to go and check out, just so it's easier for you. Okay, and let's move on to the second one. Now the second one is one that I don't really know a huge amount about, and it's Creative Market. Now this one is also very similar to Creative Fabrica. There's not a huge difference between them, and obviously they've got similar names, so I'm not sure what's going on there, but obviously you can get lots of interiors from there as well. So I can type in KDP interiors again, see what comes up, and again loads and loads of different interiors. And obviously you probably get different sellers on these websites as well, so it means you can get another big range of interiors and that sort of thing. And again, you can download these individually. And well, with these two websites, Creative Market and Creative Fabrica, you don't only get KDP interiors on these websites, you can download like different graphics, vectors, that sort of thing. So it's not just good for downloading straight interiors, it's good for getting graphics for covers, or just even if you're not in the KDP business at all, they're both still great websites because you can get all different graphics on them. So if I just type in cat vector, see what comes up. Well, obviously we've got loads and loads of different cats, cartoon cats, which could be perfect for putting on your cover, or any sort of business that you're in that involves graphic design and that sort of thing. So yeah, the great thing about these two websites is, well, they're just time savers really. Yeah, obviously I won't talk a huge amount about this one because it's very similar to Creative Fabrica, but I thought it was still one I could bring up to you guys. And the third one is BookBolt. Now, BookBolt isn't a website where you download the interiors, just the interiors. BookBolt is a website where you pay for their subscription, and well, you get a bunch of different resources and softwares within it. However, when it comes to the interiors, you can actually download some of them for free, and I'll show you that now. So this is completely for free, you don't have to pay a single penny. And all you have to do, on the homepage, go resources, then interior wizard, wait for it to load, click on interior wizard, and well, you get all of these interiors. And you can see all the free ones are all the ones that don't have that members only login thing. All these ones that aren't grayed out, well, you can download for free, no cost at all, and use them in your KDP books, which I think is great. You're not having to spend a single penny. So I just thought I'll add this one into you guys. Obviously you've got the basic college rule journal and music sheet things, and then you can get to more complicated ones like comic books, guitar tabs, habit tracker, polar coordinate paper, and mileage log. And then all you've got to do, well, if I click on mileage log, for example, click no bleed or bleed, depending on what you want to do. For this one, it'd be no bleed. Then click the size that you want, and then the page count. And then all it is a download, and it will download the file straight away into a PDF so you can upload it straight onto Amazon. It's a great website to use. And well, you're not having to spend a single penny, like I said, so it's worth having a look at anyway. And the fourth one is Etsy. Now, Etsy is very similar to Creative Fabrica and Creative Market. It's just a website where you can buy interiors individually. And well, I'm just giving you these three websites because, like I said, it's a range of websites you can go across. And Etsy is one I haven't looked at hugely, and Etsy is normally one where people can sell like t-shirts, jewelry, all sorts of different things like that. And I didn't actually know they actually sell KDP interiors, which is quite interesting to me. But yeah, they do sell KDP interiors, which is great. And you've got ones like here, daily planner, hourly planners. And well, if I have a look at this one, it looks like good quality. It's a very good quality one. And for 122 pages, it is only £4.67. So I might even look at that myself, because looking at this interior, well, it looks very high quality, very interesting, and it's not like normal ones that I've seen before. And obviously if you go across your different websites, well, the chances of people having the same interior of you gets even less likely. So again, the uniqueness is coming into account there as well. So yeah, take a look at Etsy, see if there's anything that tickles your fancy. And well, there's even stuff like this, KDP alphabet mandalas. I don't even know that niche. I might save that one, see if it's a possible niche. And well, let's move on to the final one today. And the final one is tangent templates. Now, tangent templates isn't just for interiors. Tangent templates has all different things. It has all different softwares within it to help you with your KDP business. Like, well, let's have a look at these. So it's got its own designer software, Tangent Builder, you can build your own like interior, KDP Helper, it can help with like getting the right trim sizes, that sort of thing, Category Explorer, Listing Helper, and it has multiple different tools. And the interiors are probably, I would say, one of the best I've found from a software, and it has all different ones, so like the basic ones here, and it's even got ones like education or mindfulness or paper games, and they add a few quite a lot of the time, they add some frequently, and then ones like planners, prompts as well. And yeah, like I said, they're very high quality. And well, if you want to buy Tangent templates, it is only a one-time purchase of $59. That is for everything. That's not just the interiors, that is for the whole software itself. So yeah, I'd definitely say it's worth it. And I do use Tangent templates a lot because, well, I love the software and I love how it's all laid out. And the people that run it are very good. They have a very, very useful YouTube and give tutorials on how to use their software to the best of its ability. And yeah, definitely recommend taking a look at Tangent templates for some high quality papers. I have used a lot of their papers for interiors myself. So thank you guys for watching, and if you did enjoy, remember hit that like and subscribe button, as it would be greatly, greatly appreciated. And well, if you have any questions for me, make sure you leave them down in the comments below, because I love reading and replying to every single one of your comments. And let me know if there's any more websites that you found which sell great interiors. And like I said, I'll leave the links to all the websites in the description below. But yeah, hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.